Hey everyone, and welcome back for another deep dive.
Oh, yeah.
You know how much we love those, and today we're diving into a training session by Markel Prines.
I've heard of him.
Yeah, have you?
Uh-huh.
Full-time online marketer, but he calls himself a resolution specialist.
Interesting. So he's all about...
Providing solutions.
Yeah, okay.
Through creative thinking,
That's cool. I like that.
especially in the realm of affiliate marketing.
Yeah, that makes sense.
And he's really passionate about making online businesses fun and building a supportive community.
I can definitely get behind that.
Yeah, he actually has a private Facebook group called Hustler's Secret Success System.
I've heard of that. That's a good one.
It is. And so we're diving into this training, and he reveals his secret weapon for creating engaging content and turning a fun hobby into multiple income streams.
I am so ready for this.
Okay, so one thing that he really emphasizes that I thought was interesting is logic over emotion, especially when it comes to financial decisions.
Oh, man, that is so important.
It is, right?
Especially in the online world.
You see all these gurus out there who are like, I made $1 million in a day, and everyone's like, oh my gosh, I want to do that too.
I need to get me some of that.
But he really kind of throws some cold water on that.
Yeah.
And I think it's important because, like we've said before, you really need to be discerning in this online world.
Absolutely. There are so many scams out there.
There are?
I mean, it's great to be inspired and motivated, but
Of course.
you have to use your brain.
Yeah, it's like, look at these guys who have these huge audiences, but they have, like, no success stories.
Yeah. Like, where are the testimonials?
Exactly.
Like, if this is so amazing, where are all the people that have made it work?
And so I think that's a good point. Like, don't just get caught up in the big numbers.
Right.
Like, results matter.
100%.
Yeah.
So what is his big secret then?
Okay, so he sets the stage, establishes this foundation of logic, critical thinking.
Okay.
And then he introduces his secret weapon.
Okay, I'm on the edge of my seat.
Okay, you ready for this?
Yes, tell me.
3D animation.
Dude.
Combined with affiliate marketing.
That's interesting.
Right.
I wouldn't have thought of that.
Yeah, so 3D animation, I mean, it's obviously very captivating. It's great for storytelling,
Definitely.
marketing, education, all sorts of things.
And it's different. People's eyes glaze over when they're scrolling through social media and they see the same old, same old.
Yeah.
But a cool animation would definitely catch my attention.
Absolutely. And, he uses this really good example, and I was like, I haven't really thought about this, but Red Bull.
The energy drink.
Yeah.
Okay.
They have been using animation for a long time, and it's a core part of their marketing.
I can see that. Their commercials are really memorable.
They are. So,
Yeah.
like their animation style, it's recognizable, and it's become synonymous with their brand.
Yeah, energy adventure pushing boundaries. I get that.
Yeah. And so in 2023 alone, they spent $3 billion
Wow.
on marketing.
That's a lot of animation.
Right. And it's not just them. The global animation market is exploding. It's projected to reach $400 billion by the end of 2023.
Okay, so it's not just a fad. It's like,
It's a thing.
it's a big thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So how do we tap into this?
Yeah, how do we do it?
Right. So his secret weapon, he introduces us to this software called Create Studio 3,
Okay.
and he raves about it.
That's what's so great about it.
It's super user-friendly, even for beginners.
Oh, that's good because I am not an animator.
Me neither. All right, so tell me more.
It's drag and drop. You've got a massive library of pre-made assets.
That sounds easy enough.
It is. And he shows you in the training how to create a simple animation in a matter of minutes, just to give you a taste.
That's cool. I like that kind of instant gratification.
Yeah. So are you wondering about the quality?
Well, yeah. I mean, if it's that easy to use, can it really be high quality?
I know. I had the same thought.
Yeah.
But honestly, the quality is surprisingly good.
Oh, wow.
Of course, it's not going to be Pixar level.
Right.
But for most marketing purposes, it's professional looking.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm intrigued. I'd love to see what people are actually doing with it.
Yeah, I think it's smart to be cautious,
Absolutely.
But one thing that really caught my attention is that it comes with a commercial use license.
Oh, that's really important.
I know, right?
So you can actually use the animations to make money.
You can, so you don't have to worry about copyright issues.
Right.
Especially when it comes to affiliate marketing.
Huge.
Yeah, so you can promote products and services, and it's all good.
So it seems like he's really thought of everything.
He has, and I appreciate that about his approach.
Yeah.
He's not just giving random tips and tricks.
Right.
He's providing a whole system
Yeah.
that addresses all these different pieces of building an online business.
A system sounds great. I hate feeling lost and confused.
Exactly. So in the training, he actually walks you through a demonstration of the software.
Oh, cool. So you can see it in action.
Yeah. So he shows you how to choose backgrounds, how to add characters.
Okay.
He even shows you how to manipulate their actions and poses.
So you can make them like walk around and stuff.
Yeah, you can make it walk around, you can make it take selfies, all sorts of things.
That's so cool.
And the level of customization is amazing.
Like what?
You can change outfits, you can adjust the camera angle, you can add text elements, all sorts of things.
Wow, that gives you a lot of creative control.
It does. So what are your initial thoughts?
I mean, I'm really impressed.
Are you?
Yeah, like I said, I'm not a techie person at all.
Right.
But I think I could even figure this out.
It's pretty intuitive.
Okay.
And I can
Yes.
only imagine the possibilities once you start digging in.
Yeah, it seems like he's really found something that lets people just...
Unleash their creativity.
Yeah.
And the best part is he's not just teaching you how to use the software.
Right.
He shows you how to integrate it into a comprehensive affiliate marketing strategy.
Oh, that's what I was going to ask about next.
Yeah, so he's bridging that gap between creativity and business.
I feel like that's what I've been missing.
A lot of people do.
Yeah, I'm ready to learn more about this affiliate marketing system.
Okay, so in part 2, we'll unpack all of that and see how he combines the power of 3D animation with proven business principles.
Sounds good. I can't wait. Okay, so we're back and ready to dive deeper into Markel's affiliate marketing system.
Yes, I'm curious how he combines this whole 3D animation thing with, actually making money.
Right. How does fun translate into profit?
Yeah. And he actually starts by addressing a common pain point.
Okay, what's that?
That feeling of having to build everything from scratch.
Oh my gosh, yes, especially when you're first starting out.
Right. I remember when I was first starting out, it was like websites, email lists, social media, all these things.
It's so overwhelming.
It is. And so that's where his done-for-you setup comes in.
Done for you, what does that mean?
So he provides you with pre-designed templates, systems, resources.
That sounds amazing.
It is. So you don't have to spend all that time, figuring out how to build a website.
Right, or like code an email sequence.
Exactly. So you can just focus on creating those animations.
That's so smart.
It streamlines everything.
I like it.
So you can just focus on the creative part.
Right, because that's the fun part.
Exactly.
And he provides ongoing support too, right?
He does. Yeah, he has weekly group coaching sessions.
Oh, wow. So it's not just like, here's the stuff, good luck.
No, it's like having a mentor in your corner.
That's so valuable.
It is. And he doesn't just focus on the technical stuff. He also talks about mindset strategy.
Yeah.
The bigger picture of building a sustainable business.
So it's like a holistic approach.
It is.
I like that.
Yeah, so he's not just teaching you how to sell products. He's teaching you how to be an entrepreneur.
That's awesome. And I know we touched on this before, but can we talk about that 2-tier commission structure?
Yes, let's get into that.
I'm fascinated by this idea.
Yeah, so in a typical affiliate marketing setup, you earn a commission when someone buys through your link, right?
Right. That's the basic idea.
Yeah, but with a 2-tier system,
Uh-huh.
you not only earn commissions on your own sales, but you also earn a percentage of the sales generated by the people you refer to the program.
Oh, wow. So you're building a team
You are.
and everyone benefits.
Everyone benefits.
I love that.
Yeah, it's like this amazing synergy.
Yeah, you're not just out there on your own.
You're part of a community.
And that really ties into what we were saying before about him wanting to create this fun, collaborative environment.
It does.
Yeah, it's not about competition. It's about helping each other succeed.
Exactly. And so he has these 2 membership options, mega builders and team builders.
Right. Remind me what the difference is.
So mega builders are like solopreneurs.
Okay.
They're focused on building their own individual businesses.
Gotcha.
And they have single-tier commission, so they just earn on their own sales.
Makes sense.
But if you're drawn to that team aspect, collaborating with others,
Yeah.
then there's the team builder option.
And that's where the 2-tier commissions come in.
That's where it comes in. So
Yeah,
you have the
cool.
potential to earn a lot more
That's amazing.
because you're building a network.
Right. And it's not just the money, it's the community aspect too.
Exactly. And he actually provides team builders with additional bonuses.
Like what?
So he talks about this tool called Mega Messenger.
What's that?
It's a sophisticated autoresponder, but it's designed for social media.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, so, social media can be such a time suck.
Oh my gosh, tell me about it.
Right, and so this helps automate a lot of those tasks.
So you can free up time to focus on other things.
Exactly, and that's just one example of the resources he provides.
I'm really impressed with this whole setup.
Me too.
Yeah.
It's clear that he's invested in the success of his students.
Absolutely. He's not just in it for himself.
He's not. And, one thing that I thought was really important that he kept emphasizing is that this system is built on skills that are universally applicable.
That's a good point.
So he's not just teaching you how to sell one specific product.
Right.
He's teaching you how to market and sell anything.
Oh, so these skills are transferable.
They are. So even if you decide to move beyond affiliate marketing, explore different niches, these skills will be valuable.
That's amazing. So it's not just a short-term thing. It's like an investment in your future.
It is. So I want you to think about this. What are your goals for your online business?
Yeah, like do you see yourself working solo or do you want to build a team?
There's no right or wrong answer. It's about finding what works for you.
Absolutely. Okay, so we've covered a lot of ground here.
We have the benefits, the costs,
Yeah.
the membership options.
But there's one more piece I'm curious about.
Okay.
His perspective on what it actually means to be successful.
Yes, and that's what we'll be diving into in part 3.
Can't wait.
Okay, so we're back for the final part of our deep dive into Markel's world.
I'm really excited to hear more about his take on success.
Yeah, it's definitely different from the typical hustle, harder, grind mentality.
It is, right? It's
Yeah.
like he's actually encouraging you to enjoy the process.
He is, and I love that, he's not saying you shouldn't work hard,
Of course not.
but it's more about finding that balance.
Right, and like aligning your business with your passions.
Exactly, because if you're not passionate about what you're doing,
It's going to show.
it's going to show, and people can tell.
You can't fake passion.
You can't. And he's also really big on community and collaboration.
Yeah, which I think is so important.
It is, because it's easy to get caught up in that lone wolf mentality.
Oh, yeah, especially in the online world.
But he's like, no, let's support each other. Let's share our knowledge.
It makes so much more sense.
It does. And, his 2-tier commission structure really reinforces that.
It does. It's like a win-win for everyone.
Yeah. So as we wrap up this deep dive, I want to leave you with a question.
Okay, I like questions.
If you could create any 3D animated story to promote a product or a cause that you believe in,
Okay.
what would it be?
Ooh, that's a good one.
Right. What message would you want to convey?
Yeah, what kind of impact would you want to make?
The possibilities are endless.
They are, and with tools like Create Studio 3, it's totally doable.
Exactly. So remember, success isn't just about making money.
Right. It's about so much more.
It's about finding meaning and fulfillment in your work.
And living a life you love.
Yes. And building a business that supports that.
And having an amazing community.
Absolutely. So thank you for joining us on this journey.
This was fun.
It was. And until next time, keep learning, keep creating.
And keep diving deep.
See ya.